Sir, I want to ask you a few questions with regards to English speaking. May I?
Yes, please.
I am a college student. I don't find myself confident and fluent in spoken English. Can you please help me overcoming my problem?
Yes, it will be my pleasure to guide you.
How can you teach a person who have never been to school or college?
See, the necessity is the mother of discovery. You might have heard that. Miracle happens. Miracle happens with such students who have not gone to school or college. And it's quite easy to teach a person who is empty. Got it?
Do you teach online and offline both the ways?
Yeah, generally I don't teach. I don't call my teaching as a teaching because I just conduct meaningful lectures, do possible activities and guide the students with some tricks so that they can learn it easily. So I don't call this as a teaching. There is some kind of module and there are some durations, some type of courses according to the level of the student, and I go that way and this becomes the class, you can say, like that.
How do you decide the student's class module and fees?
What happens actually, every person's need is different. So I have to first analyze the hunger, the taste and the ability of a student. I mean, until unless I know what is the requirement of the person, then I cannot decide what are the steps he has to follow and what are the results he is going to get. So for that reason, analysis of the student is must, and then fees and modules, everything can be decided.
Can you teach English to anybody in India?
Yes, I can say that I can teach anybody in India. And teaching, I'm in this industry for last 14 to 15 years. So I have experienced and I know my people of India, how they learn, what are the drawbacks they have, what are the difficulties they may face. So after having a lot of experiences, I have the confidence that I can teach anybody in India. Condition is that the person should be knowing at least Hindi or Marathi. He should be healthy and obedient, sincere, and he must pay the fees what I decide in advance. That's it.
How many days does it take to learn and speak English fluently?
See, generally it takes 6 months for some students, and for some others like it may take a year. Otherwise there is no limitations. If the person's dedication is good, so time management and the course module, all these factors, if he is able to manage them, then definitely he can learn in short period of time. But I would say it takes time to make your dream come true. Okay, it takes time, because what you are imagining, what you imagine that I would speak like him or her, that is different, and what you learn, your level, your learning, that's different. So step by step you have to go on, then only you can understand what exactly you wanted and what exactly you are going for. Got it?
Sir, do you have any YouTube channel for English class? It may be a great solution for so many needy people in India.
No, I don't have any YouTube channel. I just provide a kind of guidance, tips and tricks so that language can be learned easily. Whoever person is interested in learning English language, he or she has a dream or he has a purpose. So I just want that that person should be able to achieve his dream or goal, and his purpose is fulfilled and the person is satisfied. That's it. That's my intention, my motto, to teach people English language. And what I believe that whether it is YouTube channel or online classes, I think they are just value addition to the complete package of learning. I don't believe that just online classes will help you completely. Of course, offline classes, learning one-to-one with a customized plan of courses, you achieve your result soon and in best manner.
Do you teach personally or give private coaching?
Yes, I do give personal and customized training, but that cost a bit higher than the regular classroom fees in this competitive world. These are quite high because before deciding the class, the course, and before admitting the student has to go through some test, 2 or 3 tests, and after that only I decide whether he or she can learn or he or she can be my student, because it takes time to understand each other, the trainer as well as the student. So both the parties are satisfied and they are committed, they have the plan and everything is clear, means things are transparent, then only we should say that yes, this is what you are going to get in this period of time and this is what you have to pay for it. Okay.
Is there any specific level of a student?
Yes, of course. There are levels like beginners level, spoken level, fluency level, advanced level, professional level, and accent, intonation, dictions, all things are these are the parts of the learning. It depends what is your need, how much you want to learn, and you want to speak like whom, what you want to become like. Do you want to speak like an Indian, or you want to speak like an actor, you want to speak like a native speaker of English, like American or British English? So it depends what is your need. So there are levels.
How much is your fees for offline and online classes?
If you ask about my fees, exact charges, as I've already told you that before admission, before the course, before beginning of the course, I take test and after that we decide the fees. But generally, for information, overall information, on an average, whatever fees and course module is there, course level is there, all the details have been given in the description. You can find it out. Even my contact details are also there. Thank you very much for asking this question on behalf of the needy people in India. I could answer them in a systematic manner, because without questions there are no answers. So thank you for asking these questions and making it easy for others to understand how I am and how my things can be in terms of teaching English language.